The warmer weather is finally here, and if you're not at the grill, you probably don't want to spend hours prepping meals inside. This slow cooker chicken marsala recipe is super easy and quick to prep. Get a lot of bang for your buck. The macros are awesome, so let's just jump right into it. Start this one by trimming the fat off of 3 pounds of chicken breasts, and then cut them in half so that they're around this thick. This next step is optional, but preferred. Season them with a little salt and pepper, add in some oil into a pan, and cook your chicken on both sides for a couple minutes. Now line your slow cooker for easy cleanup, and add your chicken into it. Follow that with 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 cup of Marsala cooking wine, 2 to 3 cups of some sliced mushrooms. I use a mix of portobello and white. Throw your lid on and slow cook it on low for around 4 hours. After 4 hours, remove your chicken, mix together 8 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2/3 a cup of water. Add that in with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, mix everything together until smooth. Put your chicken back in and slow cook it on high for 30 to 40 minutes or until your sauce thickens up. Last, add in half a cup of heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Lightly mix and you should get something like this. So I usually portion this one out into 6 servings, as you can see on the screen. Each serving is usually around 500 grams. This number can vary, so just use it as a rough estimate. It's been a minute since we've done a slow cooker recipe, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. Now back to the topic of warmer weather and grilling. How many of you grill? And if so, would you be inclined to meal prep on your grill if I did a few of those this year? Let me know below, and also let me know what kind of grill you have. With that said, I don't know why I'm still holding it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. Smack that thumbs up button. Drop me any comments or questions below that you may have. And of course, stay healthy.